Hey folks, and welcome back to my channel. This is Karen with a C, doing a very quick little post-mortem on my Phoenix diamond painting. I bought this from Amazon. It was here in just a couple of days. I'll have to look up the price for you. I'll put a link in the notes to this episode. It is from the Blacksecki store, and I was overall very pleased with it. I think I would have been happier with a slightly bigger canvas so that I would have been able to get a little more detail, but overall it's not bad at all. It does have the DMC numbers on the drills. The drills for this piece were pristine. So little trash, I couldn't even believe it. I've had some projects where there were tons of misshapen drills and holes, and the drills in this one were just about near perfect. I was really impressed. The canvas was clean, no rivers, no problems. The symbols were mostly clear. There were some that were a little bit muddy, but overall it was fine. I have my light pad and I have my my big magnifier light that I use when I'm diamond painting as well, and that makes everything clear for me here when I use that. Is that in the frame here? Yeah, mostly, yep. You can kind of see it. So I use that when I'm diamond painting, and that helps. So overall I was pleased, and I don't really have too much more to say. It was a fun project. It was pretty quick. I finished it in a couple of days. Of course, I stayed up all night working on it, but that's to be expected. Here's the picture of what it was supposed to look like. If I can get that up there in the frame here. Focus. Where is it? There we go. So that's what it was supposed to look like. That's what it actually looks like. Not a bad little project. So that's my Phoenix. I wanted to do a Phoenix because what's happening with things in life and family and everything sort of not being the greatest at this time in my life. So I wanted to work on something that had a positive connotation, a positive image, and I thought a Phoenix was a good image for that. Phoenix rising. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comments, and I'll look forward to talking with you again soon.